Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this stock Bharti Airtel. If you will watch closely, then you will find that Bharti Airtel stock actually is taking support in 200 EMA in daily time frame, and if the stock tomorrow crosses the day high of today, then only we will consider buying this stock, and you can make position in this stock above 532 rupees on intraday basis for the target of 551 and 577 in coming sessions. Okay, so this can be a good swing buy kind of a trade. If you will closely analyze this stock in Fibonacci retracements, then you will find that uh, from this swing low to this swing high, actually Bharti Airtel is taking support around zero point 0.5 level of its swing high and swing low region. Okay, so what will happen tomorrow, or what can happen in this stock? Suppose let us suppose that the stock comes towards 480, then also it will be a good buy. If it comes towards 509, then also it will be a good buy. If it goes um, till 449, then also it will be a very good buy. Okay, so if you want to take position in Bharti Airtel for swing positions, then you can select this stock around 509, or add position around 482 and 449. Okay, so this is my analysis for Bharti Airtel in long term perspective. And one more thing, let us see that the stock is actually around 40 RSI, around 30 to 40 RSI on daily time frame. Okay, which means that the stock is available at very cheap price. Okay, so if you want to take position in Bharti Airtel, you can consider this stock very well, and you can actually take good amount of return. Almost 5 to 10% return is actually assured from 530 to 570. It's almost, you can say, 8 to 9% uh, from Fibonacci levels. And if you find this stock around 508, 509, or even 482, then it will be around you can say 13 to 14% of return on swing. Okay, so you can take position in this stock. Thank you for watching.